all of you in mathematics class. Dear students, in previous class we had discussed about the topic application of percentage. Today I am going to proceed this topic with worksheet 1. In worksheet 1, see question number 1. A property dealer charged 2% commission from a buyer or seller of property. If Mr. Ramlal paid rupees 20,000 as a commission for purchasing a flat, what was the value of the flat? Dear friends, your first question, let value of flat rupees X. According to question, commission 2%. So 2% of X equal to 20,000. So X equal to 2 by 100 into X equal to 20,000. Therefore, X equal to 20,000 into 100 by 2, that is 10 lakh. Next question. A 3-star hotel in Delhi charged 10% sale tax on the price of the food taken. Mr. Saxena and his family had food rupees 685. So find the total money he had to pay. Dear friends, sale tax, Mr. Saxena paid for sale tax equal to 10% of 685. That is 10 by 100 into 685. That is 68 rupees 50 paise sale tax. And food taken 685. Mr. Saxena take food 4 rupees 685. So total money he had to pay. Total money he had to pay 685 plus 68.50. That is 8,513, 8,414, 157.53.50. Next question. A painter paints 240 square feet of a wall. If this is 48% of the total wall surface, what is the area of the wall in square feet? Dear friends, let total area of wall be X square feet. According to question, 48% of X equal to 240. 48% of X equal to 240. So X equal to 240. That means 48 by 100 into X equal to 240. So X equal to 240 into 100 by 48. 48 5 ja 5 into 100 100 square feet. This is only given hints, not solution. So you, before solution, write a statement with solution. Next question. The salary of a person was increased by 15%. If his salary now 9,936, what was the initial salary? Same question. Let initial salary be X. Increase salary 15%. तो न्यू सैलरी x प्लस 15x बाई 100 इक्वल टू 9,936. Let initial salary be x, new salary 15% of x. According to question, x plus 15% of x equal to 9,936. So x plus 15x by 100, that is 100x plus 15x, 9,936. So x equal to by into 100. You find the value of x. Fifth question. In a co-education school, 45% of the total students are girls. If there are 440 boys in the school, find the number of girls in the school. Let total number of students be x. The number of girls equal to 45% of x. Total number of student be x. Number of girls 45% of that is 45x by 100. So number of boys x minus 45x by 100. So 100x minus 45x, 55x by 100. According to question, 55x by 100 equal to 440. Therefore, x equal to 440 into 100 by 55. 440 into 100 by 55. 55 8 times 8 into 100, 800. So total student 800. So number of girls equal to girls 45% of x. So 45 into 100 by 45 into 800 by 100. So 20, so 20 cancel. 8 5 are 40, 8 4 are 32 or 4 36. So number of girls will be 36. So dear friends, and another question solved in same way. So today's class is over and your homework is do worksheet 1 of chapter 5. Thanks, have a nice day.